Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make a face attendance system for your classroom projects. First of all, we have imported libraries like CV2, MP as M numpy, operating system, pickle, tinker, tinker message box, CSV, date time function to create the data entry. Then we have created the function to create data entry if it doesn't exist. Like you can see right here, there is nothing, no file like data. So let's see how this was created. Work. If the file is not created, first of then it will create the data file and print data folder created on the terminal. If it is already existing, then it will print this statement. Then let's see how the logs of attendance were taken from the students. In this, we have taken name, class, roll number, and section of the students as an input from our UI. Then we create a CSV file after this, in which it will take the student name, class, roll number, section, date, time. Date and time will be taken from the by the datetime module by using datetime now function and applying it into date and time like year, month, date, or month and seconds. Then it will also check if the person has already marked present today or not. Like he will he will open the CSV file, attendance CSV file, then he will read it. Then he will check in the rows like name, class, roll number, section, and date are same or not. If it is same, then it will not happen. It will present info, name of the student, roll number, this section, and is already marked present today. After checking all of this, then it will append the basic entries of the students while capturing its image as a proof he or she is present at that time. It will just write write details like name, class, roll number, section, date and time, and give message on the terminal. Attendance for this name, roll number, section marked at this time and date is done. So let's dive into and see how the function for capturing face data and how to save it. First of all, we have created capture faces function. Then we have defined the video with variable with CV2 video capture with webcam face detect CV2 cascade classifier. I will provide this file in my source code. From there you can download or you can defaultly search it from GitHub to get it. Then in the face data we will store the images of the given taken during this process of taking attendance as a proof photo. this will get the, these are the getting values of from user. Verify if, it will verify you if the person has put all the details or not. Then it will create a personalized folder inside the data folder for each of the particular user. Like Rahul, it will be different, and Rohan, it will be different. So let's see how this was done while creating its frames. First of all, we have created while loop with a variable like read and frame is equal to video read. If read is failed, is not working, then fail to grab frame, all the function will break. Convert the frame to, this will convert the frame into gray color. Then it will faces will going to detect the face. And then we have, for taking the only face part of the user which is mainly required, we have defined it as taking the x, y, w, h as in a coordinate of rectangles both side. Then we have cropped the image of face we have got, then resize it and to 50-50 pixel and collect face. This will going to clicking photo of our user will continue till 100 times. If he does not want to stop it, it will remain same. And also append the resize image, put text capture, okay, how many times done, like 0 1 1 2, font as a complex, font scale and color and thickness. Then same the image in the user folder. Then it will like it will display the capturing frames. If you want to stop it before the 100 times it will take, you can press the Q button. Then it will stop the video and destroy the video. And it will also store the data in the form of binary file, and thus the function ends like right here, log attendance. So let's see how the setup UI, how we have set up our GUI. First of all, we have defined title phase data capture, geometry of 400 x 300, label, enter your name, its entry, and then again label for class, then its ID, label for roll number, then its ID, and for section, and so on. Then we have add again a button to start the function of capturing video, and then we have initialize or data stuff. So let's see how this was done. why it is taking so. Okay, it has been done. Now it is slicing the code. Okay, it has come to us. So we can see how this was created, how this is working. Like we have our name, create the name like Ansu, class 10, roll number 2, section A, then it will start working after doing all of the load. Okay, so we can see how this one been done. Like you can see it has been started to capture so many images like this. So let's end it. Wait a second, it was not recording, so let me edit it to it. So you can see how this was done, like this. Like it has been started to taking so many images like so. See how this was done. Like let's go and check how this was done. Like it has taken the 17 images like one, this one, and let's see how it has been come to our CSV file. So let's see how this will work again. If I will write the same name right here, same everything. Like 10, roll number 2, we have written right here. A. Okay, so let's see. Now it started to come in. like you can see right here. Like you can see right here, but we can see like it has been started to take images like this, and this. It has said the it has been successfully loaded, but it has been already, so okay, it will not append in the folder, so it has been like this. Oh, okay, I got it, that I have given an additional space, that is why it has given a logical error. No problem, you can try it by yourself for your project. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Make sure you subscribe